me a big lake trout. I don't think she knows she's hooked. One of them shallow lakers. Bring some light in here for you guys to see. That's a big lake trout. Well, big, you know, 10-pound range. I don't know how well I hooked it. There you go. So see how I'm putting my rod in here? The ice is thick, so I'm alone today. Landing this fish might be an issue. I can see her. She's not coming off bottom. Be awesome to land this. She gave me head shake with runs. And finally make some gains on her. Oh yeah, she's right here. Beautiful fish, guys. That's a big fish. Oh yeah, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. That's a big, big lake trout, guys. She's right here. I'm gonna loosen my drag a little bit. She's gonna see the hole and she's gonna want to run. Oh, she's barely hooked. She's barely hooked. She's right here. She's giving me crazy head shakes right now. It's a big fish. That's why it's important to have a really smooth drag. Especially when they're hooked like that. She's barely pinned. She's right here. Loosen my drag again. Really hope I get to land this for you guys. She's right here. Oh, it's a big fish. I can feel my lines frayed too. It's a big fish, guys. It's a big fish. Before one of us get hurt. Big head on that girl. Big lake trout, eh? Look at this thing. She's barely hooked. I just unpinned her. I'm gonna clean her face a little bit. That's a big laker, guys. Hope you enjoy. So I didn't put the hook up on. That's a big fish. We can measure here. Fairly quickly here. Yeah. About 30. Back she goes. It's another big fish. Well, guys, I was gonna move, but every fish that came here, I've caught them. So, problem is my hole isn't clean there. It's another big fish, guys. Oh, it's fighting even more than the other one, so. Could be bigger. Definitely a lake trout. That's why you always clean your hole so you don't have to do this. Oh, oh. He must be close. He's running to me. Either that or I foul hooked him. Loosen the drag a little bit because I think he's close to the hole. He's running right under the ice. I see my line's not treaded properly in my rod. Rookie. I'm not the leader. It's a whitey. He's foul hooked. That's why they fight much more. Came off. There's a big whitey. 6-7 pounds. He's hooked right here. Sorry you guys didn't get to see it. That thing fought me for a while. Of course, it's about the viewers and entertaining them. But so far this year, my best outings have been new water. Today's a new hole. I actually, you know what's going on? My chart on my Humminbird is not in here. And my chart on my phone isn't working either. Like I can see the chart, but I can't see where I am. So I actually have no clue. I know there's a shoal around here. Whether I'm on the side, I'm on it, I don't have a clue. So, you know, but that's new water. So every time I fish new water this year, I've done really well. So let's call this the name of this episode, In Search of New Water. I actually never ice fished here before. Where I caught that burbot, I never ice fished. And when I caught that big lake trout on the other episode there, never ice fished. So, and you know, of course we went back out yesterday where I caught that burbot in hopes to to get more burbot, and Steve had one fish. That's it. We caught one whitey, no, actually 2 whiteys, 3 guys. I actually got skunked. So, it's a big lake trout. Oh.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna head out tomorrow, but I'm probably just gonna go up to Keswick and go for a couple hours first, and that's it. It's just, I don't have that much time to go out there.
Yeah, the bay's safe, but it's oh no, I lost him, Dave.
Oh.
He smoked me on the way down. Oh, he's back. He's gonna bite. Yeah, we went out with Russ yesterday. Russ caught one. Steve lost one at the hole.
Yeah.
And I caught nothing.
Tough day, eh?
I got him. Oh my God. We got a problem here. Oh my God. Oh my God, Dave. Okay, I gotta stop him here.
I can hear it going.
He's gonna pull me out.
Big laker?
No clue. I would think so.
Not a whitefish.
That's gotta be a lake trout.
Maybe it's a freaking 30-pounder, dude.
Dave, man, I
They're in there.
I don't want to break him off, but
There's 30
that
pounders in there.
either snagged it, snagged the laker in the tail.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah. That's obviously what it snagged. If he was way bigger.
Buddy, I'm at the end of the line.
No way.
Yeah.
He's fooling you.
Yeah. I got the whole rod in the water.
Wow. You have something about the giant then.
Pardon me?
You have something about the giant.
I think
You lost that much line.
I got at least 100 yards. I gotta hold the spool down. Come on, baby, stay on. Try to make some ground like this, but my line's touching the ice. I hope the camera's got enough battery, I think so. I'm at the leader, guys. I'm at the leader. And I got muzzle zebra on the line. That is not good. Oh my God. Guys, it's a big snagged lake trout. It's very, very big. It's got to be over 20 pounds. It's a giant lake trout with spawning colors. To be honest with you, I don't think I'll be able to land it because I snagged her right here.
Fish was over 20 pounds easily.
I was just doing a live stream YouTube, and I caught a fish on live stream. That was awesome. I don't know if it worked. Back down she goes. Typical size for Simcoe. That's a stock fish.